Hey, how you doing today? Today I got a 2019 Toyota Camry, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install the rear bumper of this vehicle. Okay, this bumper here has parking sensors, and this is the plug for your parking sensor. So what you want to do is try to get the bumper along to the vehicle here. Get it as close as you can and go ahead and plug it in first. Once you plug it in, then you can go ahead and set your bumper in. Alright, when installing this rear bumper, I recommend you get another person to help you out in case you have no experience. But get somebody to help you out. Each person just grab a corner and just help them place the bumper nicely. You just don't want to scratch it and take it back to the paint shop and redo it. So I just recommend finding somebody else. And if you can't, just go ahead and put tape along the edges of your bumper so it won't scratch up your quarter panel or your bumper as well. Alright, once you got the bumper sitting up there beautifully, you just want to go ahead and put your 10mm right in here. And your 10mm screw right in here. They look just like this. Just go ahead and put them in. Perfect. Once you got the 10mm bolts on each side, what you want to go ahead and do now is put the cap right here for the light. So it's going to be this guy right here. So what you want to do is just lay it flat. And boom, it should just snap right in. Make sure you do the same to this side. Boom, it snaps right in. All right, now once you've done that, just go ahead under the bumper. Insert your clip here. They're gonna look just like this. So you're gonna insert one here. Insert this one right in here. Put clips all in here as well. Same deal when you get to this side. Just fold this up and put a clip right in there. And last but not least, you want to go ahead and put a clip right in here as well. Alright, now come back to the side of the bumper. Once you got that done, there's going to be a little plastic clip that falls right in here. Kind of looks like this. So what you want to do is just go ahead and insert that right in here. Now come to the other side of the bumper. There's going to be another hole right here with the same little clip. Just go ahead and insert. Alright folks, well there you have it. That's the 2019 Toyota Camry rear bumper installation. Now if you have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and write into the comment section and I'll go ahead and reply to you as quickly as I can. Well, thank you for watching the video today.